like a hammer-on, but the opposite.
Okay.
What I mean by that is that it gives you a very similar sound to a hammer-on. It's a slur, but we have to do something a little different with our fingers, because when a pull-off is going from a higher note to a lower note.
Okay.
And obviously we can't hammer from a higher fret to a lower fret, that doesn't work. So when you do a pull-off, here's the thing. So let's say I'm going to pull off from the first string 3rd fret to the first string 1st fret. In order to do that, I have to have both fingers down before I start. So both of these fingers have to be down. I'm going to pick the string. And I want you to notice here, this is very important. I didn't just lift my finger off the string. If I just lift my finger, I don't get a lot of sound. If what I'm doing is I'm doing a little tug on the string, and the tricky part about that is as you do that, this finger has to stay locked down on the note, because otherwise you'll get something like that. So try that for me. Just try that pull off. Excellent. Very good, very good. So here is a pull-off exercise for you to work on. Now, since our hammer-on exercise, what we did was we stayed in the same place and we used different fingers on different frets. In this exercise, we're going to stay on one string. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with our first finger on the first string, 9th fret. The 9th fret is good. And we're going to line our fingers up on frets 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now, just when you first do this, I want you to actually pick each note, because I want to make sure you're actually fretting each note correct. But leave them all down. Leave them all down. Good. So now all those notes are good. So that means you should be able to do this. Pick and then pull off the pinky. Good. Now pick again. Good. Now one more. Now what we're going to do, we're not going to pull off with the first finger just yet. We're just going to slide that finger back one fret. Then we're going to line the fingers back up, and we're going to gradually work our way. When we get all the way back here, then we'll finally get a chance to do a pull-off with your first finger, since there's nowhere to slide. Give it a try. Very nice. Excellent. How did that feel?
Felt good.
Good, good. Okay, so how are you doing with the Pink Floyd song?
Pretty good.
Excellent. Let's give it a listen.